Greetings, YouTube friends. Today we continue with the restoration of the roof of our workshop. The problem we faced was at the intersection where the two roofs meet. There is some cracks, and that's why the water run off to our workshop. Good morning. Well, I came down here, up here, and in the roof of the shed, because I'm getting a leak, a water leak in the bottom, and I could see, I could see the crack. I thought it was gonna work, but you see the little crack? All the water goes into the shed inside. Okay guys, I'm back in the work site, and as you see, this is a perfect example that I was talking about in previous videos. When you do like that, when you do filling with a lot of concrete amount, and this is what happens when it gets dry really quickly. If you don't keep maintenance, you have to keep maintenance to it, it will crack. And this is a perfect example. This is what I did yesterday, and today I did this one. It's a little bigger, but it's okay because it's only fill in. It's not the last hand, but it was too hot. I got dizzy, so I stopped, and I got to do this one. Put it up to the top, and probably I'm gonna do 2 more layers of concrete The last one thin set, but I got to do another layer of concrete with sand or yeah, polvillo, and fill it up to there. Little by little, when I came here, I passed the probe, start cracking. The mixture start cracking because it's too hot over here. It dries too quick. That's what happens. Anyway, so now we do this tomorrow a little bit more to keep filling it in little by little to stop that leaking, the leaks. All right, guys. Okay, guys, this will be good for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your support. See you. God bless you all.